What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be getting into a review on the Nike and Clot hoodie. I'm going to be doing a try on and a review for you guys, and without further ado, let's get into the review. Now for sizing, I went with the double XL. I typically wear an XLT, but that's impossible to find in like any pieces. So I rotate between an XL and a double XL. I'm 6'3", 230 pounds for sizing reference. Now this is a pretty lightweight hoodie between Nike and Clot. I think that they did a really good job. I love all the little details on it. This hoodie is a cotton and polyester blend. I would recommend washing this piece inside out and letting it hang dry. This hoodie contains 5 different colors. It has red, a darker red, maroon, and then black, and also yellow for the dragon and the flower. I like that they put 3 swooshes on here. I thought that was pretty dope. I really like the design of this hoodie and it looks very unique. This hoodie contains 2 side pockets and also 2 pockets on the inside. The 2 side pockets are zipped and they have red pull tabs. The hood also has little holes for breathability. I really like the dragon and the clot right underneath. I really like the Chinese lettering, and also that clot is put on here multiple times. I really don't think that the quality on this hoodie is super crazy, but I think the collab is what makes it a really nice piece. I believe this retailed at $155. I would definitely recommend it. I think if you're able to get this piece, it would be nice to add to your collection. I would definitely check other sites to see if you could get it cheaper. Hope you guys really enjoyed this review. My goal is just to bring you guys NikeLab and Nike Tech, products that you don't really see reviews on, and I'm trying to help you guys with sizing and fitting. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. This is not a paid or promoted video. Make sure you guys check out my other content. I have a lot of videos up and I'll be posting a lot more. Thank you guys for watching.
Lab going,